I'm back. Let's get started. Today we have a 2010 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to show you how to take the blower motor out without paying those dealership costs. First things first, I'm going to take off this piece here. It just unsnaps like so. Make sure you unplug whatever you need to unplug. If you got extra, buttons or whatever. You got your OBD2 plug over here. All this needs to come out. So I'm going to take all that out. Make sure if you don't know where or remember where things go to kind of mark them or put them in a place where you remember. So I know this one's left, so come over here, this one's right, and that one's in the center. So alright, so next you got to get up in here, and I know it looks like a really tight spot, but you're gonna have to take apart the gas pedal. It's a drive-by-wire car, so gas pedal comes out with just a couple of bolts. As you can see there, I don't know if you can see or not, it's kind of dark. A couple bolts there, the whole gas pedal slides out. Disconnect the plug and then toss it to the side until you're ready to put it back together. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so in order to remove the gas pedal and the brake pedal combo, in order to get to all the bolts, you're going to have to take these two out. Well, this one out here, this is the AC duct, and that's just going to give you room to reach up in there. And it just slides right out after that one bolt, like so. And then just toss it to the side over here, get it out of the way. Now you have access, even more access up here. So you gotta get this bolt here, disconnect the brake pedal, brake booster, and then move on. So this is the whole assembly. You got 3 bolts total. You got the accelerator pedal plug and 2 brake switches. So yeah, you just toss this to the side once you're done. You also got the brake slide. So whenever you apply brakes, it pushes onto the brake booster. But yeah, undo all those, take it off to the side, get it out of your way. You don't need it right now. Make sure you don't lose any nuts or bolts. up in there is the blower motor. Not sure if you can see it, but I'm not going to be able to film this part. But you got to remove all those plugs in that big black box, and then you'll be able to reach it and pull it out. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I got it out. You got that one plug or one screw right here. You unscrew that and you unplug it from there, and then you twist it like you're unlocking it, and it just slides out and slide it down. Hardest part is getting it past this piece here, but I mean, you just maneuver it and twist it to get the blower motor to drop down through that. So I got the old one out. I'm now gonna go grab the new one and put the new one in. Be back in a second. Alright, got the new one. Since it's gonna be hard to record up in there, I'm just gonna sit you guys over here on the seat and kind of give you a little quick montage type deal. So yeah, here we go. Alright. It's back up in there. It's got the screw back in it right there. It's all nice and tight. Plugged it back in. So yeah, now all you gotta do is put everything else back together. Sorry for the weird camera angles. All you gotta do is put everything back together now. So once again, I'll set you guys up and we'll go from there. And that's that. All you gotta do is put the plastics back together, make sure you snap this in, make sure you snap these back in, and you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then we'll crank it up and see if the AC blows again. almost forgot. Biggest part. Don't ever forget this. And there you have it. Let's grab the keys and see if it works. Alright, moment of truth. Car is running. Let's see. Nice cold air condition. I'm sure you guys can hear that. Hear all that wind. All the wind. Okay, so that is how you install a dead cat on a microphone. No. That is how you install a 2010 Nissan Sentra blower motor. I'm sure there's other models too, the same body style, maybe even the newer ones, not sure. But yeah, dealership wants about $1,000 to do that. I think that's kind of outrageous. Until you have to take apart the dash, take out the dash. I didn't take the dash out, and it works just fine. Alright, so I'm going to clean up and deliver this car back to the customer. You guys take it easy. Del Sol content coming 4th of July weekend. Removing the motor and the TC motor and getting a new TC motor and putting that in, but not on the 4th of July. But yeah, so all that's coming soon. So like next weekend soon. So I'll see you guys then.